You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing food names from around the world that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. A Vietnamese dish name: bánh mì, bánh mì, bánh mì. It's easy. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more delicious food names that many mispronounce. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.